Are VPNs legal? Jade Nazareth says, using a VPN is perfectly legal, but again it really does depend on what country you live in and what rules they level with. Like take China and Russia for instance, they have some pretty strict surveillance and censorship laws, and the use of VPNs are illegal out there. However, again, VPNs in general are legal, but you should be aware of what you do with it. For example, it's a fact that as much freedom as you have in Canada, torrenting is banned and using a VPN, though legal in Canada, for torrenting is against the law. Gerald Forney says, the virtual private network, VPN, is one of the popular terms among the internet technologies and networking concepts. It allows us to send or receive data in a secure and anonymous manner. On the other hand, it ensures our privacy of data besides allowing us to access even the restricted web pages all around the world. Then why so many people are scared of taking up the VPN services? Well, they probably have the question in their mind, is using a VPN legal or illegal? Do you also have the same question? Alright, you have landed on the correct page. You can use the VPN services in any country and is perfectly legal to use. But yes, there are few exemptions such as Iran and Afghanistan, where the use of VPN is prohibited. Leaving those countries, it is legal and safe to transmit your data with the help of virtual private networks. How is VPN legal? VPN is completely legal except in few countries where its use is prohibited. It is just adding extra security to your data in the form of encryption and nothing more than that. Even most government agencies, law firms, and other IT companies use their own private networks to ensure privacy in their transactions. Can we say that is an illegal one? Absolutely not. If such private networks are legal, then VPN is also legal as it is nothing but a private encrypted channel to send or receive data safely. From now, you need not have the confusion that using a VPN legal or illegal. Jeff K says, yes, using a virtual private network, VPN, is legal. Windows has VPN capabilities installed, and many companies, like Cisco, Fortinet and SonicWall, provide software for second-party VPN systems. VPN provides that user with access to a particular network to which they have privileges. That connection is normally what that user would have if they were accessing the network locally, so all privileges and restrictions remain in place. Users can telecommute or connect from a distant worksite. I'm not sure why I'm seeing a number of questions on the legality of VPN. The service is, in every case I've worked with, a viable and secure way of accessing a remote network. Thanks for watching our video on, are VPNs legal?